So now you can see the Nochi top. That's I guess my uncle told me a story that when he was young. Yeah, हमने यहाँ pitch करते हैं अपने tent. Good morning everyone. So this is my place where I live, and it is called Mahut, which is near Jalori Pass and 20 kilometers from Ani. So today it's quite grey. The weather is grey and the sun is just behind the clouds and it's cloudy. So I am planning today to go Srilsar and then to an unexplored destination, that is Nochi Top. So if ever you are planning to go to Srilsar, so you should also think of going to Nochi Top, which is almost like 50-100 meters or 1 kilometers uphill from Jalori Pass, from Srilsar Lake. So when you reach Srilsar Lake, you just have to go for an inclination of few meters and then you will reach the Nochi Top, and from there you can see beautiful peaks of Kinnaur, of Nirman and many big Himalayas. So I will take you there without wasting time. I should go, and now I will catch you directly on Jalori Pass. Reach Jalori Pass. So from here we will start our trail to Srilsar. So I will show you the whole trail and how it looks. So we have started our journey from Khanag to Jalori Pass. It is 6 kilometers and down there is Khanag. So I will show you. It's windy and cold. You can see these are the meadows of Jalori Pass. So now we will go straight, and the trail is very good, and we will reach Srilsar. From Srilsar we will go uphill and then we will reach Nochi Top. So I will capture it and I will run up to Srilsar. It is 5 kilometers. Waiting for the signal. हाँ हाँ
12 मिनट में 1 किलोमीटर.
हाँ तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ हमने 10 में.
चले दूसरी दुगनी स्पीड में ना.
बारिश नहीं होनी चाहिए बस. ओहो कितने लोग हैं, तेरे को भालू मिलेगा. Beautiful couple. Namaskar ji. It's 4 kilometers now. We have done 1 kilometer. So let's go. We have done 1 kilometer. So here is almost 2 kilometers done. You can see the milestone. It's 3 kilometers. Let's go. Let's run. And I'm in the race. So we have done 2 kilometers so far, and now 3 kilometers are left. After that there is a uphill. So which way? नीचे की ऊपर? नीचे की ऊपर? नीचे वाला ना? सीधा ना? There are my partners. I'm keeping this. Oh, it's like one milestone is saying 2.5 kilometers. So we are almost there. Halfway done. ये तो प्यारे स्टूल्स बनाए हैं. पहली बारी कोई अच्छा कलर किया है ना. हाँ.
बहुत.
One of the scariest point in the way to Srilsar Lake. भालू तो सो गए होंगे. भालू बियर प्रोन एरिया. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारी गुफाएं हैं. So this is one of the scariest point I found in this trail. Otherwise it's good to go, but I see people there. I guess it's now 1 kilometer only. 1.5 now. So only 1500 meters. Last 1 kilometers. Let's go. So this is like I can see a small market before Sriulsar. So there are local cafes and you can sit here and have coffee and tea or some food and snacks, mostly Maggie and boiled eggs, omelets. And after this you will not get any cafe because it's all here. And from here is 500 meters to the lake. So you can see cafes. It looks like a small market, food market. Oh, it has totally changed. When I was a child, this place was whole empty. There were no shops, nothing, just meadows. But now you can see a whole setup. So time I never thought कि कभी ऐसा भी हो सकता है और this place can turn into like this. But still it's beautiful. People are getting food, things to eat. That's beautiful. Local people are managing, serving, arranging water, food, everything. A beautiful cave turned into a shed. So earlier there were sheds here, but now this place has been evacuated. No cafes. So if you go straight up to there, after that place, there are stairs down, and then you can see the beautiful lake. So let's go. Just before seeing the lake, totally red. These are the stairs to Sriulsar Lake, and now we are almost like 100 meters away from the lake. So this is the gate, and you go like this inside, and look at this beautiful lake. Isn't it beautiful, yaar? So beautiful. You can see it's 0 kilometer. In Scotland, you used to say all the lakes like Loch Lomond. So it's Loch Sriulsar. Look at this beautiful loch, the lake. Drizzling, a little bit of rain. Everything is so serene, and this morning it's like 9:40 a.m. A little bit of instruction, so you cannot go to this stone. It is a holy place, so they throw the coins inside this lake for their wishes, and that's all. So we call it Buddhi Nagin. There is a temple up there which we call Buddhi Nagin temple. So I want to tell you a story about this lake. So people say that whoever go inside this lake, they never come back and they drown inside it. But I guess my uncle told me a story that when he was young, he was 25 or 26, he came with a foreigner. His name was Martin, and they both decided, they were sitting on the edge, and Martin was like, we can swim this lake, and my uncle was like, no, we cannot do it. People say like this and that, you get inside it and you cannot come back. And then Martin said, don't get scared, be with me. I know I am a good swimmer and you are also a good swimmer, so we can go inside and swim. And they crossed this lake twice, and they swam this whole lake. You can show the lake, and from that point they started, and they go up to the hole, and they cross this lake to that side, and then they came back. So they did this thing twice. So then my chachuji told me that it is just all myths. You can, because now it's a holy place, so people don't go inside it, they don't touch the water. But earlier it is quite like people has swam here, and it's not like you get inside and you get drawn. So if you have good swimming skills, one can swim a loch or lake. That's it. Stay tuned. totally changed. Earlier it was like a little bit different.
यहाँ आना तो बरसात के टाइम आना चाहिए ना, जिस टाइम वो फूल फाल होते हैं उस टाइम आना ही है। उस टाइम होता बहुत मतलब जबरदस्त व्यू।
मुझे पता है मारूंगा हम भी।
हाँ वहाँ का क्या
Totally changed. So holy place, there are few prohibitions and you have to take care of those, जिसकी हमने नहीं रखी। चलते हैं अंकुश यार ऊपर, आधा घंटा ही है।
यहाँ से टाइम नोची दारू कितना टाइम?
मेरे को नहीं पता ही है ना।
मैं तो जो बोल रही हूँ ना, मैं 3-4 बारी गई हूँ। नहीं लगता था टाइम, मैं गई हूँ।
सीधा ना
हाँ जी,
ऊपर और पर नहीं जाना अपने, सीधा चढ़ना ऊपर। जैसे ऊपर पेड़ नहीं है, लास्ट पेड़ ऊपर देखो, जहाँ लास्ट में पेड़ दिखता है।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
चलो अगर जब लास्ट में पहुंच गए आप ना, जहाँ
बहुत सुंदर है।
दिखता है खाली जा रहा है, बिल्कुल खाली, आगे देखो कि आदमी खड़ा है।
So that's Sriosar Lake. Now we will head to Nochi Top and we will go. Ankush is little bit like, he's like, I don't want to go. It's like very uphill, but I will take him to that place because after that he will be so happy. I know. Dekhna, the beautiful views are after the hardest walk. So
क्लाइम।
हाँ, after the hardest climb. So this is the hardest climb and you will have a beautiful. हाँ, आराम से चलेंगे, ठीक है। चल चाल चलते कैसे, दिखा जरा अपनी चाल। Finally reached first meadow after Sriosar Lake. So now I have left Sriosar Lake behind, there down in a dip, and now I am going for Nochi Top, which is again half kilometer of 1 kilometer of uphill, totally uphill trail. So there you can see is the Lamri. From Nochi you can appreciate them more. So every tourist, every traveler, they come up to this place. Few goes up and from there is a trail to Lamri. So we have done 5 kilometers of Sriosar Lake run and now we are so excited to go to Nochi Top and shining happy souls, but we have not brought anything to eat. I am with one mango and I am thinking वो मैं अब कैसे बांटूंगी, क्योंकि मेरा मन कर रहा है वो मैं अकेले ही खा जाऊँ। मीठा आम मेरा फेवरेट। Let's see. So this is the point from where you have to take care. When you will reach here, don't go straight. Turn to the left and take the left trail. So you can see down there is the mandir, the temple, the lake, and you will come up and go straight in the trail. Don't go that side. So it's a bit confusing at this point. Leaving everyone behind, going to the Nochi Top. अंकुश, ऊपर जहाँ स्पेस दिख रहा है ना खाली, बस इतना ही है। इसके बाद फिर मिडोज से लगते हैं और आराम से हो जाते हैं। So now we are out of the tree line and going up. So the meadows has start. और अब ना धूप भी आ रही है। नोची टॉप ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा, इट्स वेरी विंडी, हवा चलती है बहुत। Slowly take your small stride and keep going. तेरे लेसेस खुल गए हैं। So now you can see the Nochi Top. That's Nochi Top. So we have come so far, and whenever you are at Jilori Pass, you can come to Sriosar Lake and don't stay there. Come up, guys, come up. So this is one of the unexplored site, mountain top. ये कितनी विंडी है, विंडी। तुम लग रहे थे स्वर्ग को जा रहे हो। So last 400 meters, it's totally uphill. So that's the last meadow, and up there is the Nochi top. Yes, Ankush? I don't know what they are doing, but I will not go there. I will just keep on going. Finally, after this point, you will reach Nochi top. So this is the stone, my favorite stone, where I always sit and see this world. So last, yes, woo! This is beautiful Nochi. My stone. We usually do camping here, pitch our tents, enjoy life here. This is the Nochi top. So you can see Lambri, Jibbi. There is down Srilsa Lake, and there up there is Rakpurgarh Fort. हाँ, आगे तो नहीं जाना था, बस यहीं तक ही है. हम ना यहाँ पिच करते हैं अपने टेंट. यहाँ आग. The final view from my favorite stone at Nochi top. So you can see the whole Lamri. Down there is Jibbi, everything. You can see the countless peaks. My favorite peak until now is the Nochi top. You can see Shirikhand there, but due to cloudy and due to fog, it's not visible. So that's the view from Nochi top. So do visit, do plan. With this guy, I'm closing my blog. So that's all, and this is my whole trek to Nochi top, and I am having a very good time here. So I expect everyone of you to just visit this place, take your time, come out on Sundays, and it almost takes 2 hours to reach this place from Julori Pass. Total kilometers is 7 kilometers. So I'm just done with this blog. Take care, goodbye, tata, and do subscribe my channel if you like it. Otherwise, again, watch it, and I'm happy with that. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye, Ankush.
Bye.
Say bye.
Guys,